Hi, welcome to this Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you some of the basics that you need to know in order to get started using Microsoft Excel. These videos will be kept extremely short so that you don't feel overwhelmed. By the end of this series, you will be an Excel wizard. Okay, maybe not a wizard, but you will be prepared to perform more intermediate actions. With all that said, let's get started. We are going to begin by clicking the icon here. We are going to open up a blank document. As you can see, across the top we have tabs. We have the Home tab, the Insert tab, Draw tab, Page Layout tab, Formulas tab, Data tab, Review tab, View tab, Developer tab. When you click on any particular tab, it opens up a ribbon. Ribbons hold a wide variety of tools that assist us with manipulating our spreadsheet. We will cover the different tools within the ribbons in future videos. This here is the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is made up of columns and rows. Across the top, we have columns, column A, column B, column C, and so on. We also have rows, row 1, row 2, row 3, and so on. These boxes that make up the spreadsheet are called cells. In order to determine which cell you are in, we will click on any given cell. Notice how the cell is in line with both one column and one row. Conclusively, this cell would be identified as cell B4. Now that we have a solid understanding of the basic layout of Excel, let's move on to the next video where we will go over how ranges work. Thanks for stopping by.